This year, a parent came up to us and asked if we knew anything about this program. I told the parent, no, I did not. He started getting us information, and then I said I thought it'd be a good program. I went to our administrator, our principal, and they all thought it was a great idea. I started asking all my woodshop students, and they thought it was a great idea. We got a core group together, and the core group is what you see behind you here. It is run by Chris Wilhelm. Our group motto is student run, student done. I told them early on from the beginning I would get them a spot. I would get them a, what did I tell you guys I'd get you? I had three things.
Help us get some money from NASCAR.
Money, a spot, and a team number.
I'm Chris Wilhelm. I'm the president of the South High Robotics Club, and this is most of our team right here. Right now we're just talking strategy on what we're going to be doing for competition Thursday and Friday, Saturday of next week. Andy Farrar here is going to be our driver. We've got Robert and Cameron here. Wave, guys. Robert Liebersbach and Cameron Esfahani, who are going to be our computer guys. We've got Mike and Jesse, who are brute force. They're going to be making sure the bot's running. And we've got a couple other guys who aren't present right now, but just working. He's our worker, our mechanic, making sure the bot runs.
If it doesn't run, he hits it with the hammer.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. This year's competition is basically about stacking boxes. The actual competition is there's 29 boxes stacked on a ramp in the middle of the course, and you and your teammate attempt to knock those boxes onto your scoring area. We originally designed our bot to stack boxes, but we found in our Chatsworth competition that the match goes by so fast there's no time to stack the boxes. So we just modified our bot so it's going to be knocking boxes over and scooping it into our scoring area. So.
Well, I'm John Flammer, and I'm the food guy. I help out, and I help build the bot and put screws in the metal.
I'm Robert Liebersbach, and man, this project has changed my life from everything about how I think about engineering to building something as simple as a robot. I mean, we thought that it would be like screwing together something, and it was way more than that. It was pounding something in that wouldn't go in straight. It was trying to figure out what the heck we were doing. It was trying to figure out what plug goes where, everything. It was crazy.
My name's Cameron Esfahani. I joined this. Robert dragged me into it. He said that there would be some programming and computers and electronics involved, and that's my life. So I came in. Once again, it was a lot more complicated than we thought it would be. It was a lot more, and it kind of bonded us as friends. I came in knowing probably 3 of these people, and I came out knowing every single one of them a lot more than I did before. So it's a really great activity. It's a really fun way to learn a lot and get to know a lot of people.
Hi, my name is Jesse Ralston. I joined this because Mr. Elna was talking about it and it sounded pretty cool. And in the actual competition, I stacked the boxes, and I'm into mechanics, so thought it'd be fun to work with mechanics. That's about it.
I'm Andy Ferrara, and I'm the driver for this robot. And basically, I get to ram other bots, and I like to break the other bots sometimes, but that's, if anyone asks, I don't do it on purpose. And basically the way I got into it was Mr. Elena. I was in his tech class, and he started talking all about it. And I just thought to myself, oh, that sounds pretty fun. And then I went home and talked to my parents about it. And my brother, if he had done something like this, he would have got into MIT, which is a good college. So I was like, oh, that sounds like a plan. I'll just go and do that, and maybe I'll get into a good college. So that's basically how I got into it.
I'm Mike Moore, and I basically helped with just about everything. I helped Jesse with the mechanics. I don't know too much about computers or electronics, so I kind of stayed away from that stuff. But we had a lot of fun on this project. With getting to know everybody, we had like 6 weeks together, and we had a lot of fun with that. But we built the robot over at Clark's Atom Company. He sponsored us with a place to build our robot, so we got to build it there, and one time we got to actually have a sleepover so we could work out all the kinks in the robot one night. And so we had quite a bunch of fun there. Played hide and go seek in the dark in the building, so that was a lot of fun. And we didn't get to bed probably till about 3 or 4. We probably woke up about 6 or 8 when someone knocked on the door and brought us breakfast. So we had a lot of fun in this project, and we're hoping to have a lot more fun at the competition.
The reason I took this up to begin with was I thought that these young people would find something that they would never ever find in high school. Everything that they learned, even how to interact with each other, was now put to the test. They had the ability to come together as a group, not just talking about it, but they did. And one thing that I said from the beginning was this would be student run, student done, and I meant it. Even to the point that a couple of these students actually thought I wasn't spending enough time there. And I did that for a reason, because it's their project. Some of the other students that have been around and the ones they've talked to have stated that they felt like it wasn't their project, that they were just the one. They'd be sitting off in the corner playing solitaire while all the engineers are building a robot.
We have to cool our motors.
We've been guessing with our autonomous so far. We've been just pretty much getting random values and trying them, and it worked, so we did really good. That was probably the second to best round we've done. The last one was probably a lot better. And we got 108 qualifying points, and that means that we jumped from 46th place to 43rd. And so, hey, we're winning. On the last couple of rounds we won, and so hopefully it'll continue.
We have to cool our motors because they overheat during the match and it stalls itself. The motors just won't work if they get too hot.
Our next match is going to be in 15 minutes.
Hey, what happened to the heat sink?
But they're running really good.
Right.